I want to give you some of my top strategies for soothing brain zaps. So if you have brain zaps, if you're having electricity in your brain, if you're struggling with a medication withdrawal, a medication taper, then talk with your doctor and see if these solutions might be appropriate for you. So starting with number one is omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids decrease pain, they decrease inflammation, they're healing and nourishing for the brain, and they've been shown to be incredibly helpful with medication withdrawal symptoms. So that's number one. Number two is B vitamins, and there is so much literature about B vitamins and antidepressants. In fact, research out of the University of Michigan has shown that antidepressant medications can deplete your brain of B vitamins. And B vitamins are used in many pathways to help you make things like serotonin, to help your body send all those signals to detox and process so that you can think and feel in a balanced state. And so if you're on a medication that's been depleting you of B vitamins, and too low of B vitamins can cause symptoms, replacing B vitamins can be incredibly helpful. And I have a B vitamin that I really like. I have it in my shop at drnicolecane.com under shop. It's in the anxiety breakthrough bundle. So go and read the ingredients there and you can see the types of B vitamins that I've seen work best. So number three is acetyl-L-Carnitine, and acetyl-L-Carnitine is absolutely amazing if you've been taking antidepressants and if you've been feeling withdrawal side effects or even just side effects from the antidepressants themselves. Acetyl-L-Carnitine is something that you should ask your doctor about. Acetyl-L-Carnitine helps heal brain tissue. It energizes the brain, especially if you're dealing with brain fog or forgetfulness or you just don't feel sharp or crisp. Acetyl-L-Carnitine can be really helpful for that. And acetyl-L-Carnitine balances serotonin and adrenaline, which are out of whack when we're withdrawing or tapering off of our antidepressant. The next one is Magnesium L-Threonate. The threonate form of magnesium really readily crosses the blood-brain barrier. Instead of a magnesium that's more citrate-based, which goes straight to your gut, the magnesium L-threonate form goes straight into the blood-brain barrier, and it can help reduce anxiety. It increases relaxing neurotransmitter GABA. It relaxes the brain, and it's a definite go-to if you're struggling with brain zaps. Vitamin D is the next one, and vitamin D is depleted by antidepressant medications. Vitamin D also has a really strong relationship with mood stability. And so if you're dealing with anxiety or if you're dealing with depression or anger or symptoms of OCD or postpartum or bipolar, anything related to how you're feeling in your mood and in your mind, ask your doctor to check your vitamin D. And if it's appropriate, replace your vitamin D. When supplementing with vitamin D, always make sure that you give it with your other fat solubles. Make sure that you take vitamin A, K, calcium, and magnesium. And then the last tip for brain zaps is my absolute favorite, saving the best for last, is the herb Avena Sativa. Avena Sativa or Milky Oats has been used for centuries to help people who are dealing with side effects from medication withdrawal or who are dealing with the effects of toxicity. Avena Sativa is called a trophorestorative. A trophorestorative is something that restores the tropho or the brain tissue. It restores health to the brain, and it can definitely help reduce migraines, and we've seen it be really helpful in brain zaps. So I'm